So good morning, and we are going to solve a sum of trigonometry, and the question is question number 10, and if a is equal to 60 degree and b is equal to 30 degree, then first question, if a is equal to 60 degree and b is 30 degree, then first question is sine a plus b is equal to sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. Cos a sine b. Sine a plus b is equal to sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. Sine a is 60 plus b is 30, so sine 60 plus 30 is equal to sine 60 cos 30 plus cos 60 sin 30. Cos 60 sin 30. Fine. So cos 60 sin 30. Cos 60 sin 30. Now sin 60 plus 30 becomes 90 degree. Is equal to sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Sin 60 root 3 by 2 sin 60 is root 3 by 2 and cos 60 is root 3 by 2 plus cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2 and sin 30 is 1 by 2. Sin 90 is equal to 1 and root 3 into 4 root 3 is 3 plus 1 upon 4. So 1 is equal to 4 upon 4. 4 upon 4 is equal to 1. So 1 is equal to 1. Now we have second number. So this was the first question, sin a plus b is equal to 1. So second part is cos a minus b. Cos a plus b. Cos a plus b. Cos a plus b is equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Okay. So cos 60. So cos 60 plus 30. Cos 60 plus 30 is equal to cos 60 cos 30 minus sin 60 into sin 60 into sin 30. So cos 60 plus 30 is equal to cos 60 and cos into cos 30 is equal to cos minus sin 60 sin 30, and cos 60 is 1 upon 2 into cos 30 is root 3 by 2 minus sin 60 is root 3 by 2 into sin 30 1 by 2. So when they will multiply it, we get root 3 upon 4 minus root 3 upon 4. So it becomes 0. So cos 90 is 0. So 0 is equal to 0. Now we have another third part of this question is then it is sin a minus b it is sin a minus b is equal to sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. So we have sin 60 minus 30 is equal to sin 60 into cos 30 minus cos 60 into sin 30. So sine is equal to 30 degree, and here it is sin 60 is root 3 by 2 into cos 30 root 3 by 2 minus cos 60 is equal to cos 60 1 by 2 and sin 30 1 by 2. So sin 30 is 1 by 2 and root 3 3 by 2 3 by 4 minus 1 upon 4. So we get 1 upon 2 is equal to 4. We have taken LCM. 3 minus 1, it becomes 2 upon 1 upon 2. It becomes 1 by 2. Right. Now we have question number 4. Now we have the fourth part of this question. Fourth part of this question. That tan A plus B, sorry, it's tan A minus B, it's tan A minus B is equal to tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A into tan B. Tan A minus B is equal to tan A minus B upon 1 plus tan A tan B. So tan 60 minus 30 is equal to tan 60 minus tan 30 upon 1 plus tan 60 into tan 30. Tan 60 into tan 30. So it becomes tan 60 minus 30 becomes 30 degree, and this is tan 60 is root 3 minus tan 30 is 1 upon root 3 upon 1 plus root 3 into 1 upon root 3. Tan 60 is root 3 and tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. Root 3 cancel off, it is 1. And now we have taken root 3 as an LCM. Root 3 we have taken as an LCM. So so it becomes 3 minus 1 upon 1 plus 1 becomes 2. So there will be so here we will write again that 2 upon root 3 into 1 upon 2, and 2 and 2 is cancel off, and 2 and 2 is cancelled. 2 and 2 is cancelled, so it becomes 1 upon root 3. So tan is equal to 1 upon tan. So if I write here tan 30 is equal to 1 upon tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. So this is 1 upon root 3 is equal to 1 upon root 3. 1 upon root 3 is equal to 1 upon root 3, hence proved. So this is tan A minus B is equal to tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A into tan B, and cos A minus B is equal to sin A minus B is equal to sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. So thank you very much.